Now, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on break them off with a little previews of the remix.
I think I'm just gonna catch up with you guys.
Now I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do.
Happy birthday, Edwin. Love you. Look at that.
You must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me
This is a big cake. This is the You're being my Okay, vlog, I'm going to shut it down. I'm gonna see you later and tomorrow. Too busy, family time. So, wait, that's Gian. And now we're gonna go swimming and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I promise to show you guys around, okay? Tomorrow, not today. Bye, love you.
screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping and wishing. I'm about to take my key and